sugar.
That's what the doctor tell you?
I was so busy the other day, and I was wondering why I have to have sugar.
Good morning. This is gonna be a mini vlog. It ain't gonna be that long. In fact, it'll probably just be for today because there's a lot going on. I know I look crazy. Today is a packed day. What time is it? It is 12 o'clock. Okay, Pistachio is ready for pickup. Oh, so cute. Pistachio had a grooming appointment at 8:30 in the morning. Child. So I went and I took him let's talk about what we're doing for today. So I'm washing my sheets. That's why I look a mess. My bed's not made. I'm going grocery shopping. Also, I am cooking something new. So let me tell you why I apply my deep conditioner. So as you can see, I created my little own concoction because one thing about it, I know what my hair needs. You know, like look at this. See these? See that? That's when I was taking care of my hair. Like I would do these DIY deep conditioners with different type of ingredients: avocado, egg, olive oil, aloe. I'm getting back into that. I was good, okay? I bleached my hair, went through some trials and tribulations with some different stylists. And let me tell you, one thing Orlando needs to do is be FFR, okay? So, you know, I used to laugh at the TikToks where they would show the stylist and their booking sites. Let me tell you guys, this lady tried to scam me so bad. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely disgusting. You know, the one lady I originally went to for highlights, she does everything. She does highlight, wash, all of that, but it was a little pricey. So I was like, you know what, let me find somebody else. First mistake. So the lady, I have booked the appointment back in March, okay? It was just for highlights, which was $531, and then I paid a $95 deposit, okay? Fine. Coming to the appointment, I had to cancel because I had to work that day and I wasn't gonna make it. So I messaged her 3 days prior. So my appointment was on a Wednesday. I messaged her on Friday through Instagram. Didn't check any of my messages. Didn't respond. Tried calling her through Instagram. Didn't pick up. I went to her booking website. The number that's on there doesn't work. So I'm like, how is it you want to be a stylist and nobody can get in contact with you? Like what the heck? So she got in contact with me the day before the appointment, confirming it. I told her, I was like, hey, is it too late to cancel? She said, yes, she's gonna have to charge me the full amount. I said, oh child, never mind. I can just go because I don't want to get charged. Then she told me that she noticed I didn't book a cut with my highlights. I said, yeah, because I only want the highlights. I don't want a cut. She said, it's mandatory. You have to book the cut with the highlights. I said, any person I've been through, you don't have to book. It's not required. But she said the products may damage my hair. I said, you are out of your mind. So I said, how much is the curly cut? $180. Plus, for every extra bowl I use, it would be $45. Basically, tallying up, the appointment will end up costing me damn near $1,000. I'm not paying that. She said it's in her policy. I read her policy. I even screenshot the policy. It doesn't say, like, you know how some people say, oh, like makeup artists must book lashes or must book travel fee before booking this appointment. It didn't have that on there. They didn't say must book curly cut before booking it. It did not. Why would you not put that? Common sense. But then again, common sense is not so common. So I'm like, you know what? No, I'm canceling. I said, let me go ahead and cancel the appointment. She gonna hit me with the, okay, well, here's the cancellation fee. I'm not paying that. She sent me an invoice. Just ignore and block her. Girl, you are tripping. Then the one lady that originally does my hair, she's really nice, really sweet, knows what she's doing, but it's so hard to get in contact with her. Like, I messaged her, asked her for an appointment. It took her 4 hours to respond to me. Then I text back again, like, you know, respond to her question. Then she responds to me the next day in the afternoon. I'm tired of the way he treats me. Like, I'm tired. I'm over it. No. So I said, you know what? I am my own stylist again. I am going to grow out my bleach. And then closer to my birthday, since I'm an esthetician, I do get access to all the salon products. So I'm going to, you know, take the salon dye. If you bleach your hair from a professional, do not dye it back with box dye. That will fry your hair. You will literally be left bald headed. Tip of the day. I vowed no more Instagram stylists. No more. I don't care. I'm going to start my hair growth journey. It'll be monthly hair update videos. So I'm going to write down this recipe. I can see how it does. See how my curls are after I wash it. And I do a rosemary rinse. Now I know I made way too much. But I'm just going to use it all because I'm not trying to waste any product.
Stepping out with no makeup on. Ooh. So first things first, I'm going to Michael's. So I want to go and pick up my little popsicle sticks, the date night thingy. Then I am going to pick up pistachio and drop pistachio off. Then I'm going to go pick up my mom, and then we're heading to Trader Joe's. But of course we run an errand. So you know what I mean. Starbucks. You know what? I just started Trenton knowing. So it arrives today. So tonight I am going to apply it, and I cannot wait because I want that glass skin. I'm telling you, this is the summer of transformation. This is the summer of self-care and healing. Why are you so aggressive? Oh, my baby.
Do you have his leash and collar with you?
Oh, shoot, it's in the car. Give me a hand. hot. But he looks good. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, they took him down quite a bit. A little skinny. But you know what, Bubs? You look handsome. And ain't nobody gonna make fun of you, I promise.
Here's that brown sugar shaken espresso.
Thank you.
Macchiato, and you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, Jay. You have a straw? All right, so now Starbucks is crossed off the list. All right, now it is time for Trader Joe's. Toast, guys!
This is amazing.
I'm glad you like it. Ain't as sweet as yours, Mom. It's not. You like sugar. You and Juliana and all of them like sugar.
No, I have to have sugar. I have to.
That's what the doctor tell you?
Because my sugar is being low. I was so dizzy the other day. And I was wondering why. I have to have sugar. Even if you laugh. I care if you laugh.
For the skin, please. So I definitely lied to you. I said I was gonna do my wash and go yesterday and it did not happen. And I was supposed to wash my sheets yesterday. It did not happen. The food was just so good. The drinks, they kept coming. It was such a chill, relaxing night. I just went to bed afterwards, but I did wash my hair out. My curls are definitely really soft. I am just going to come up with a recipe today, dig back into my old books, and I will start doing my all natural hair mask. I'm gonna be uploading once a month progress, and I have the Orlando scammers to thank for that. Speaking of scammers, I bought these hair extensions, these curly clip-in hair extensions for $260. I think with the discount code, it dropped it down to like I gotta find out how much it dropped it down to. And of course, I didn't read the policy. You know, refunds are store credit only, which would be fine if they had any inventory or anything that I would actually wear. But look at those. And I'm new to the whole extensions game. I'm not gonna act like I even know, you know, clip-ins. If this is a normal price, I ain't gonna act like, you know, I know all about that, because I don't. But I seem a little steep for this. And it doesn't even, when I tell you guys, when I point my hair, it literally comes up to here. And they're super thin and long. So they literally like just, it looks so bad. It looks like I literally have just random pieces coming out long. I contacted the people. They said, oh, they only do store credit. I have to send it in. I have to pay for shipping to return the product. I knew the product is $200 something for store credit. So I found a ponytail that seems okay, which is $199 for this ponytail. I know. Before you even, I know. I guess I'll just have to chuck it up to a loss and just get the ponytail. I'm gonna get my natural, the dark color, because I am, you know, taking my hair back natural, so that way I can have it at least for falling. But anyway, no more complaining. Today I'm kickstarting my self-love journey. I've been in this like funk for, I would say honestly, about 2 weeks. For about 2 weeks, I've just been, you know, not feeling it, feeling lazy. Just, I sat there, and I guess like for me, I was going through my old photos, and I was like, oh my gosh. I feel like the old Joe would look and be like, girl, what happened? We need to get it together. Starting this self-love journey, I decided to make this summer about me. I made a list of, you know, physically, mentally, and emotionally. I feel like you've heard this speech before from me probably, but this time, this is me being consistent, okay? I am an emotional eater, and that's how I've been like stuck in this funk these past few days. Just chilling, eating, that's it. No child. I'm actually going to take that and put it into working out. So it takes 21 days to form a habit. So every day for 21 days, I'm going to do something physical. Monday through Friday, I am going to be, you know, back to my hot Pilates, back to my Orange Theory, but I am also going to be taking my dog running at least a mile, starting off with a mile, okay? Because I also too don't want to overwork myself, but I'm definitely going to be starting off with a mile. The goal is to build a healthy relationship with food, and cooking last night was so therapeutic for me. I forgot how much I actually love cooking, you know, and also too more romanticizing my life, romanticizing what I do, you know, even today, like I said, you know, doing my whole everything shower. I did my skincare routine. Also, always remember, it is never too late to start, all right? And that's what I had to get over too. I was like, dang, look at all of these women way younger than me already living a penthouse. I had to realize people on social media tend to only show you the good parts, not the bad. I agree with them 100%, because why do you want to post negative stuff about yourself on the internet? And also too, somebody's distress should not make you feel better about yourself. That's their life. You have your life to live. Also too, don't speak bad on people. People pull up in a Bentley, people pull up in a Mercedes. What did she have to do to get it? Don't assume that. And if you have that type of mindset, break out of it quick, fast, and in a hurry, because that is so ugly. The best thing you could do in a glow up journey is mind your business. Don't worry about other people. Don't worry about what they got. Don't worry about how they got it. Worry about you. Worry about how you gonna make that happen for you, because what people have going on have nothing to do with you. I feel like we get so caught up in other people's lives that we forget about our own. If something does not better you, if it does not add more money to your account, if it does not decrease your bills, that shouldn't be something you're focused on. Like, I am the main character, because I am that girl, and that's the mindset you also need to have. Who are you? You're that girl. And whoever don't like your newfound confidence, whoever don't like your newfound attitude, bye. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close out this vlog. I'm actually going to finish up my hair, then I'm taking my behind to work. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'm at work. I'll probably make my date night list, but comment below if you guys want me to do a cook with me video. So anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, so bye.